Hello friends! I am here to teach you how to create a Google slide. Now, when I was growing up, I just used PowerPoint from Word document, but Google Slides offers another easy way to condense a lot of information and to put it in a format that's easy for people to read and understand. So the first step is pretty easy. Go to Google. Go to Google, and then go ahead and Google Slides. Once you are there, you're just gonna click this Google Slides. And as you can see, I already have been logged in with Google. I have a Google account and a Gmail account, so I don't have to make one. But however, if you have not done that, then that's something you'd have to do right now. And the next thing, we have a very easy way to just go straight to Google Slides. I really love it, straightforward. Alrighty, so these are my recent presentations. You'll see them, you see all the things that you've done here, and they'll be saved for you. Let's do a new one. Alright, so here's the title. Over here we can click, which templates we like, I really dig this blue color. It's very pretty. Very pretty blue teal. Now let's say we're making a Google slide about puppies. Types of puppies. So that would be my title. Subtitle you could say by Brooke, or whatever your name might be. And to add a slide, we go right here. Click. Yay. And here we are. Now with these, I have a golden doodle, so I'll put that here. Types of puppy, golden doodle puppies. That is definitely a type of puppy. If I wanted to customize, there are different things to use. We come over here to the edit button. I can do undo, I'm just kidding. It'll fix the recent mistake that you've made. It's pretty rad. Over here, we can, we can insert an image. Let's see, upload from my computer. Now here it's going to take me to all my files and downloads that I have. Let's see if I can find a very specific picture that I'm looking for so that I can add into my Google slide, and it's relevant to what we are talking about right now. Here we are. Here it is, and through this I can make it smaller so that it fits the format. Let's say I want to add it right here. Golden doodle puppies can break nose. I'm still not over it. If I wanted to make that a bullet point, which is often what people usually do, I can go here. Bam. Now let's say I am finished with this dog. I'm done. This is all I wanted. My type of puppy is a golden doodle, and I just wanted to share that she broke my nose. We can click here. We can publish it on the web. I'm sure people would love to see mine. But the cool thing about Google is that it will just save your progress where you are. See? Here it is. I did not title my presentation. That was silly. We'll go ahead and do that now. Types of puppies, yes I did. Alrighty. Well, I hope this was a lovely learning experience for everyone. And thanks for watching.